Hello everyone, welcome back to the new workshop. So in this video I'm going to talk a little bit about how a turning fork can really save your neck on jobs. So I'm going to show you a little bit here of what I'm talking about up close and personal. I'll actually show you this turning fork and then I'll show you the parts that need to be straightened. So I've had some questions. What's going to be your new things that you're going to be doing in your new shop, Roy? And the easiest answer to that is all the same old things that I used to do in my old shop, just carried over, except with an increased level of panic and induced stress. So we're definitely behind the 8 ball here at Ironworks trying to get all these jobs out the door. But I just wanted to take and show you guys a little something I'm working on, or I have been working on for many months. So this is part of a much larger fireplace screen and things that I've been working on. And part of doing this screen is you have to put the screen material in and you have to weld it from the back side. So there's some strips around the back side that you have to weld this screen material on with. It kind of like you spot weld it or so, and then that kind of helps tension the screen door itself. Well, in doing so, like with welding, you get heat, you get distortion, and it has warped or bowed these doors. So a simple thing like a bending fork, like I'm talking about today, can really save you on a job like this. Now, I've been sweating over this during my whole entire move up here to the north. I've been thinking, okay, how am I going to straighten that door? Rocking over some different ideals. I've went totally crazily over engineered all the way down to the most simplest things, which is just get the whole thing hot and stomp on it, just to get it square again. But the easiest option is exactly what I'm just going to show you now. Basically, all you have to do is get the door, put it in your bending forks, and give it a pull. It's really not that hard. I'm going to find a spot that looks like it has a bend to it, and then I'm going to put it in the bending forks, and then I'm going to reach around, and I'm just going to give the thing a pull. So just pulling on it that much is enough. Remember, we're working with mild steel, so it's pretty easy to actually bend mild steel cold, and just doing that is enough to flatten this door to a degree that I can actually install it on the frame. So here I was worried about this thing for about a month now on how I was going to get this on here and just thinking out a bunch of different options. And I'm like, well, I'll just deal with it once I get there, making it out more needlessly complex than it had to be. And you can see how easy it was. So I have just a little bit more here to do. I can just put it in there, give it a tug, and get this door mostly straight without any fuss and muss whatsoever. Check it against old Olga here. If it doesn't seem like it bounces, you know you've got it flat. That's got a little bit of a warp into it still. So I got to bend that. We're going to go like this. Yeah, and I mean, this is how simple this whole process is. Totally overthought it in the long run. Again, I had stuff like heating torches and laying heavy blocks on it and all those sort of things. And all I had to do was just literally use a pair of bending forks. So a bending fork, again, is a very underutilized tool in the blacksmith shop, but highly worth it to take and make one of these. This here is just a piece of 1-inch round bent in a U and a welded 1-inch shank, hardy shank put on the bottom of it. And that way it can just fit nicely in the anvil like so, or vice. I have several videos. I'll link those up now down in the description down below and up here in one of these little teaser cards, whichever side of the screen it comes up on, and you guys can check that out there. So without further ado, hope you enjoyed this video from the new workshop. If you did, give it a like, and if you'd like to support what we do here at Ironworks, a great way of you doing that is checking out our website, blacksmithpds.com. Without further ado, God bless y'all. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.